Oceans are becoming the world's dumping ground. What has become known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch may qualify as the largest garbage dump in the world, with 3.5 million tons of trash, 90% of which is plastic debris, swirling around between Hawaii and California. Seattle also contributes to this problem, but not all of our plastic garbage reaches the North Pacific Gyre. Much of it stays in the Puget Sound, polluting our water, littering our beaches, and killing our marine animals. These plastics release toxins that are absorbed by tiny marine organisms and enter the food chain. As these plastics go through the food chain, the concentration of toxic chemicals rises. Jellyfish eat toxic plastic pieces and are then eaten by larger fish that often end up being consumed by humans. Unlike metals, plastics don't corrode. They don't even rot. The truth is, plastics never go away. It just breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces when exposed to sunlight through a process known as photodegradation. This means the problem of plastics in our ocean and Puget Sound will never get better. It can only get worse, and this is not sustainable. 80% of the ocean's trash is from land-based sources next to the water, like Seattle. Our community really needs to start paying closer attention to recycling plastics. 2 billion plastic bags are distributed annually throughout Washington state, but less than 5% are recycled. When those bags end up in Puget Sound, they pose a serious threat to whales, seals, birds, salmon, and other marine life. In 2010, a beach gray whale was found in Seattle with 20 plastic bags in its stomach. Nothing we use for a few minutes should end up in the belly of a whale. The good news is, Washingtonians are taking action to protect the Sound. In 2009, Edmonds became the first city in the state to ban plastic bags. In 2011, 6 other cities joined the effort: Bellingham, Mukilteo, Seattle, Bainbridge Island, Port Townsend, and Issaquah. Today, more communities are considering similar legislation. Local bans are a great start, but we can't stop until the plastic bags are banned statewide. Toxins found in fish that consume plastics are linked to cancer, liver damage, and reproductive problems in humans. No one alive today, or their children, or their children's children, will be in the ocean free from this pollution. This is a call to recycling. With only 1% of all plastics being recycled in the entire world, we have no chance. But if the world comes together and realizes that our plastic garbage doesn't go away, hopefully the need to recycle will be obvious to all, and the consequences of not recycling will be too horrible to ignore any longer. This is not just about saving the environment, it's about saving ourselves.